about how to fix Afterpay payment failed. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now in most cases what simply happens is if you are using either a expired card or if your funds are not yet verified. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do, update your expired card, and if you have the virtual card, you need to create a new card so that you can use the new details. Secondly, as I said, you need to verify your funds for installment. Afterpay requires your linked card to have enough money to cover the first 25%. So make sure that your fund has the enough installment for the first installment to be paid. If it's not the case for you, you can also try out by lowering your order total. If your account balance is fine, you may be hitting the Afterpay spending gradual trail, which simply means that you need to lower the total amount. First of all, check your available spend and then try to reduce your shopping cart size. Even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The other thing that you can also try out is try to reinstall the application of Afterpay onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should also be fixed. So these are the few things that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.